In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add About Us page in footer in WordPress Beginner's Guide. We'll start inside WordPress.com and use a simple plugin to surface your About page neatly in the site footer. First, head to WordPress.com and open your site's dashboard. Make sure you're signed in to the account that manages the site you want to update. From the left-hand menu, select Plugins. This is where you can browse and manage tools that extend your site. Use the search bar to look for About Us. You may see several results, but we're interested in a straightforward option called About Us Widget. Click it to open the plugin's details page. On this page, notice the note that says, Easy installation, no settings needed. The idea is simple. You provide an image URL, a short description, and a link to your About page, and the widget outputs a clean block you can place in your footer. Scroll through the description to understand the features and how it appears on the front end. This is a great way to keep your footer helpful without clutter, and it works well alongside contact links or a newsletter sign-up. Next, switch to the Installation tab. This section explains the exact steps the plugin expects after activation, including where the widget will appear in your widgets area, and how you'll add your image link, text, and the About page URL. If you're comparing plugins, check the changelog to see recent updates and ongoing support. Then jump back to the description and open the FAQs to quickly confirm common questions like customization options or supported image sizes. Reviewing these tabs now helps you avoid surprises later. When you're ready, click Get Started. WordPress.com may prompt you to continue with a guided setup flow. Follow the on-screen prompts. Start with the plugin enabled for your site, use the domain search if you're setting up a new address, or choose the Bring it over to WordPress.com option if you already own a domain elsewhere. Click Continue to confirm each step so your site is connected and ready for plugins. After the setup flow completes and the plugin is available to your site, follow the plugin's guidance to add your image link. Write a concise description and paste the link to your About page. This is what the